Thanks for joining us. I'm Chris Tanaka with a WBZ News Update. Karen Reed's attorneys are planning to appeal her murder case to the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court. Her legal team wants the case dismissed and is arguing double jeopardy. Now, Reed's trial ended in a hung jury earlier this year. Reed's lawyers claim several jurors have since come forward saying they agreed she did not intentionally kill her boyfriend, Boston police officer John O'Keefe. Right now, Reed's retrial is set to start in January. Well, another educator in Revere is injured after breaking up a fight. This is the second time in less than a month that staff at the school's been injured. City officials and the teachers union are arguing over how the teacher was injured, however. Union says they were slashed by a knife yesterday, but the superintendent and mayor say it's not true. The mayor says effective immediately, however, there will be another police officer posted inside the high school. Well, now to a WBZ exclusive. A Boston mother is looking for answers after she says her child was left on a school bus for hours. Rhonda Johnson says her Henderson Elementary first grader was due home around 3:30, but when he didn't arrive, she checked the new app for parents to track their students' buses, but it wasn't working. She says she then called the school and the bus dispatch center. Mom eventually was told dispatch found her son and he was dropped off after 7 p.m.
She says the bus app's not working. Okay, so where is the bus? Where is my child? I was informed he got on the bus. Where is he? Let me check the yard. I run on the bus and I'm running down the aisle looking for my son. He's passed out in the seat with a whole puddle of drool. Maybe he was on that bus for like 4 hours.
In a statement, Boston Public Schools says the safety of our students on yellow school buses is our top priority, and we will work with our contractor to get to the bottom of what happened and ensure that any appropriate follow-up action is taken. All right, time now for a check of your next weather forecast. Here's meteorologist Jason Michael.
Let's get right into the forecast here, Chris, and talk about the lower 48 right now. Obviously, the bigger weather story is going to be with Tropical Storm Francine. We're relatively stable and also quiet here in the New England area. And even as our temperatures begin to go back into the mid to low 80s over the next 24 to 36 hours, we'd also expect a relatively nice and dry weekend as well. Straight into the tropics again as we're watching Francine poised to move down from a Category 1 storm, Category 2 storm of landfall yesterday to more or less an extratropical low over the next 24 hours once it gets away from the Gulf waters. Still expected to move a bit more northbound there, still causing a lot of issues in terms of rainy weather as far as Mississippi and Alabama is concerned, and eventually Tennessee. But once this system is done, still watching another system out in the Atlantic, Tropical Depression number 7, 5 a.m. advisory this morning, max sustained winds at 35 miles per hour. A little bit more of a get up and go west movement at about 17 miles per hour. So definitely going to be watching that through the weekend heading into early next week. Meanwhile, enjoy the sunshine and nice summery conditions, upper 70s to low 80s, at least through midweek next week, Chris.
All right, Jason. This has been a WBZ News Update. I'm Chris Tanaka. Have a great day.